right now we are in the sections of how to make the connection for this experiment. Already we have talked about there is a two section mainly. One is giving the power supply to the DC motor, another one is a field excitation to the alternator. First start giving the power DC power to the DC motor section. The main DC power 220 volt come from this main switch. If it is on, then these two panels will read the 220 volt DC. Now this from here, say it is a positive one, it comes to the L point of the 3-point starter. Then from the armature to the armature, then the field to the field. Then other side of the field and armature are shorted and they are fed back to the your main supply. That's me. If we try on this thing, we first turn on this section, then with just moving this 3-point starter handle, we can move the starter position to turn on the DC motor. Now come to this section of your field excitation system. Here also this changeover switch also give the, if it is connected at here, then this two terminal will give the 220 volt your DC. Now already it is said that this is your terminal, the field terminal of the machine, but it's supposed to be in variation format. Through this your variate, it can be variation. This is a pot, nothing but a big unit of the pots. So this is the one side is a shorted, then another one is here, it is coming to this point, and from this is your variable node. The middle point is nothing but your variable node that come to here. We need a measurement unit how much DC current is fed to the your field excitation. So that's why this DC ammeter is there. Through this DC ammeter in series, it is fed back to the excitation system. And what is the connection at here? If we try to explain it, we can do like that. This is the main panel, plus and minus, and this is the coil, the field coil. This is the terminal, and we have a variate 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. What is the connection? These three are shorted. These three are shorted. Then what is that? Here to this 1 number point. Connected. Over. Now this is the variate node. If you change the node, then the voltage will be variate here. So come it from here. Then it's passed through this DC ammeter. So in series DC ammeter here. Then it will be connected at this point. Look at here. So here is the connection. So that's mean here the 220 volt DC fixed DC is come, then fed back to this pot. Then the variations, the knob of this pot, the voltage, the actual voltage fed to the excitation system in a variation, and how much current is flowing through the circuit by using this DC meter, it can be observed. And this is the terminal, the machine's output terminal or your armature terminal. This is a RYB, and always it is a star connector, so the neutral point is there. One thing, be cautious throughout the experiment, whatever may be the parameter, the voltage, current, whatever may be all the parameters should be the per phase basis. If it is not observed in a per phase basis, convert it in a per phase basis.